Right, today's a celebration, it's a party. I said all along, it's not a business networking event. It really is a chance to let our hair down and share really what ICRTouch has achieved over the last 20 years. I mean, we're 100,000 licenses, 20 years we've been going. We've wrapped up a really incredibly successful company here on the Isle of Wight doing software development. So, I mean, we've got 30 really smart guys working for us, and it's you know, young developers, designers, marketing. And I know a lot of you have also built up really successful companies wrapped around ICRTouch and the product that she creates. So certainly a lot of you are on Touch Office Web and rentals and things like that. And really, I think you've gone from you know, till dealers to proper EPOS resellers and really are, you know, quite successful people, some of you now. So that's what the party's about. Kai said to me, he said to me a couple of weeks ago, he says, Cole, we've got a problem. There's only 45 dealers sending people down. And it's like, what are we going to do? And, I mean, we talked about having this in Oxford, really. After last time, it's hard to get people to come to the Isle of Wight. Come to the Isle of Wight, let's have a party here on the Isle of Wight. We're paying for the food, the drinks, come visit our lovely island. I mean, yeah, all right, it's hard to get people down. So we thought about having it in Oxford, centre of the UK really, but we'd struggle to get our staff up there, and if I'm honest, it's like our staff are the ones that deserve the party, deserve the celebration. They're what make our product, you know, it is, and do you know something, if no dealers come down, then it's a very expensive staff party, so... I will bring them up at a... Yeah, too right. I will bring them up in a bit. So, 25 years ago, or probably not as long as that, I used to go to events put on by Casio and Sharp and stuff. So, I mean, do we have any young sort of service engineers, that sort of people here? Young salesmen? Come on, stick your hands up. There you go. Do you know something? I used to go to these nice one, Giles. Young. I used to go to these events put on by Casio and Sharp, and I used to sit there. I was only a young kid. Some of you remember me. And I used to look at the big guys there. Clive, I can't remember his name now. He used to run Casio. Joe Laraz, Maxi. And you used to look at these guys and think, you know, real respect for them. And it's easy to think it's always been that way, they've always done that. And it's hard to think that they were once ordinary people. And it's the same with me, really. I started off working for a company called Island Cash Registers 25 years ago. I was a service engineer, fixing tills, like some of you. I was paid £650 a month, nearly sacked, after I nearly blew up one of our customers. But I've ended up where I am, I think, because I always put in that extra effort. So I like to think of myself as doing 10% more. You know, I'd get in a little bit earlier, I'd leave a little bit later. I worked 10% harder than the people around me. And what that meant was I was 10% more valuable after a year to my employer than my other peers. And you get on to next year, you've done that 2 years, you're not only 10% more, you're 10% and 10%, you're 20%. 3 years later, you're 40% better than the people around you. And your boss is starting to recognise you then. He's giving you more money, he's giving you the best opportunities, he's giving you the best customers, and you know, you're really pushing forward for your own career. So I mean, if you know, if you're starting out and you think, well, how do I end up like that? I'd put in the effort, it's worth it, you know. And with our staff, you've got that opportunity with the TEL, with the scripting language. People do that? Lee, I see you nodding. Simon, you know, those guys are worth looking at. And it's hard, as an employer, to think, I'm going to let my staff, during work time, when I'm paying him, you know, they ain't going to do it. They can't see it. They really can't. But take it home. Take a till home. You know, you can run it on a laptop, PC or whatever. Take the TEL manuals home with you and start playing with it, start learning it. Do it for yourself. And I'm telling you, one day, your boss, he'll come in and he'll say to you, right, I've got this coffee shop, you know, and they want it. So every time they sell a coffee, the screen flashes red. I don't know why they want it. He's only telling me his mate still does it. And you'll be able to say to him, do you know what? I can do that. I can make the till flash red when we sell a coffee. he'll get that sale, and that will go on and on and on. You know, you'll bring in more business for your business, you'll make your employer happy, you'll get more wages, who knows, you might be in charge one day. I'd bring our lot up so we can get a group photo. Where are you? Anyone? James? Everybody? Come on.
Come on then.
Don't leave me up here on my own. Yeah, come on. I haven't seen you tonight. Hello.
Steve! Dara?
Come on, Tara. You look lovely tonight, by the way. Come on, Steve. Steve. Come on, who are we missing? Who's hiding? Bars, so seriously. Come on, Bars. James in the middle with me. Come on, Bars, come on. Yeah, there's a few of us now. So many of these are hidden out the back, and you really don't get to talk to them. You don't know they're there. Come on, you coming up, guys?